Maybe I could use this thumbnail and prank people and be like, yeah, I did a vampire facial. Who knows? I can do that. Maybe I'm gonna do that and prank people. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am finally filming a video after like 2 weeks. So happy new year to you all. And I hope 2022 brings in a lot of love, luck and happiness in all of your lives, and may all of your lives be filled with joy and success. Speaking of today's video, I've been suffering from a lot of acne lately, and I've also got a cold, so excuse my voice. So of course it's winter time and my skin becomes so dry during winters. Honestly speaking, my skin is the best in summertime. Let me know down in the comment section, in which season do you have the most skin concern? Of course, during winters my skin dries out and it breaks out so bad. And now I know a lot of y'all might have a question, how does your skin break out when it's dry? It needs to be oily, and that is when your skin starts clogging. So of course I have an oily skin type, and during winters my skin starts drying out, and when my skin starts drying out, my skin starts producing more and more oil, and that is when my skin starts breaking out. And that is exactly what is going on here, no matter how much I moisturize my skin. Speaking about the solutions, well, you can find tons and tons of products out in the market, but in today's video I am gonna be speaking about one particular product that is gonna change the game. This is one product which I've been using for a very long time now, and it has helped me cure my acne to a tremendous extent. So I was like, I'm gonna share this video with y'all. I came on YouTube to check how many people have actually made a video on this topic, and the results were shocking because there were hardly any videos on this particular topic in English. And there were only videos in Kannada and Tamil. And being from Karnataka, I cannot understand Kannada properly. So I was thinking if people know about this product or not. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all a product that is gonna change your acne game. And are you ready to know what product I'm talking about? This particular product is called Manjistha Churna, and I'm gonna show you all multiple ways to use it, be it for dry skin, for oily skin, etc. So if y'all wanna know how to use this, let's get right into the video. So before we get into the video, let me tell you a little about this powder. So this particular powder is also known as Rubia cordifolia, and it is also known as Indian madder. It is a species of a flowering plant in the coffee family, and this particular plant has a red pigment which is present in the roots. So Manjistha gets the color red from there. So this is one bottle which I finished. I still have a lot of acne on my skin, guys, but the amount of acne I had last week, this is like 50% less. So I'm gonna show you 5 ways to use Manjistha powder. So if you're interested, let's not waste any more time and let's get right into the video. For this, all you've got to do is take 1 teaspoon of Manjistha powder in a bowl and add either milk, curd, rose water or green tea, whichever you like. I'm gonna tell you what suits what skin type. So for me personally, milk is what I'm gonna be using because my skin is feeling really dry these days thanks to winters. So I'm gonna be using milk, and I have also taken the milk that has a lot of cream in it. I'm gonna take my milk, which is 1 teaspoon or 1.5. I'm gonna mix it really well and make a paste out of it. This is how I've mixed it. If you want, you can also add a little bit of honey into this mask. That would be extremely beneficial too, but I am just gonna leave it at that because my skin is a little sensitive to honey. But yeah, let me tell y'all that honey is gonna cure your acne in no time. So if you can use honey, do use honey, but before that I would definitely recommend y'all to do a patch test, guys. Just apply a little bit of the product over here and see if it suits you, and only if it suits you and doesn't cause any allergy or any reaction, I would suggest you to go in with this DIY on this particular product only then. So all you've got to do is mix it up and take a brush. In my case, I always prefer applying things with my hands. I mean, initially, if you'll remember me, I always used to like the brush, but then for some reason I believe that your brush has bacteria in it. Your hands are still clean. I don't know. Yeah, it's just my personal opinion. I'm just gonna apply this on my face. Is it just me who's suffering from acne now, or is anyone else suffering from acne? Please do let me know down in the comment section below, because I'd at least know that I'm not alone. So this particular mask is for dry skin, guys. If you have dry skin, you can definitely use this mask. I personally have an oily skin type, and for oily skin type you can use curd. Now, in case you're wondering, if I have an oily skin type, why the hell on earth am I using something that is meant for dry skin? So guys, in winters your skin becomes extremely dry, and you know, your skin becomes dry and oily at the same time. Am I sounding relatable? I hope it's making sense to you. Yeah, so since my skin is feeling dry and oily at the same time, this would be a good mask because it can moisturize my skin better. Okay, so I am done applying the mask on my face, and I am gonna leave this for around 5 to 10 minutes and wash this mask. I don't have a watch. Okay, so it's been around 5 to 7 minutes, or maybe a little more than that, guys. And instead of sleeping, I thought, why not talk about the product a little. And by the way, this reminds me of vampire facial at this point of time. I don't know why. So basically, if y'all don't know what vampire facial is, it's basically they use your own blood to do your facial, and that is, I mean, I've seen a couple of videos on that a year ago or so, and I was like, you know what, I should try this one day, but I know that I'm not gonna try it. I mean, people actually get a vampire facial. Oh my god, that's just, I cannot do it. Maybe I could use this as my thumbnail. Maybe I could use this thumbnail and prank people and be like, yeah, I did a vampire facial. Who knows? I can do that, right? It's still happening. Maybe I'm gonna do that and prank people. The benefits of Manjistha. Manjistha has amazing properties that are known to detoxify your skin. Along with that, Manjistha also cures wrinkles. So in case you have a lot of wrinkles, this is the product you should go for. Apart from that, Manjistha also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory problems that help cure acne. Manjistha can also help you cure scars. So in case you have a lot of pigmented areas, Manjistha is the product you should go for. This is just one simple powder, and you can use this in multiple ways. So in case you want to get rid of acne, you could pair this up with rose water. In case you have dry skin, you can mix this with milk and apply it on your face, and that is what I have done today. If you have oily skin, or if you want to go for a glowing skin, you can mix Manjistha with a teaspoon of yogurt and apply it on your face. This is not only gonna give you a glowing skin, but this is great for oily skin too. To just detoxify your skin, mix 1 teaspoon of Manjistha with 1 teaspoon of green tea. Mix it well and apply it on your face. The last thing, what I like to do personally, this is how I used Manjistha in the past 3 days. So I was not feeling well. So as you'll know, I have a cold, and then I was just not feeling well, and I was feeling very lazy, and with that we say hello to no skincare days. to be very honest, my schedule is a little busy now and I don't really get time for skincare. So what I like to do is, along with my face wash, I like to mix something. For example, I like to mix sandalwood powder along with my regular face wash. So I did the same thing with Manjistha this time and it works wonders. I mean, I don't have any pictures of the acne I had in the past week, but I'm gonna tell you it was a lot. So long story short, this is a simple hack. All you've got to do is take a little bit of Manjistha, put a little bit of water and wash your face with Manjistha. In case you're using just water and Manjistha, let it sit on your face for around 30 seconds or 2 minutes and then wash it off. In case you are using one of the first 4 DIYs, which is
Make in Manjistha, curd in Manjistha, rose water in Manjistha or green tea in Manjistha, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes so that the mask dries completely on your face.
now it's time. I'm just gonna go wash my skin and be back. So 3, 2, 1. So as y'all can see, my acne has reduced to a tremendous extent already. Yeah, forget this one. This is a very stubborn pimple, but I can feel the difference, guys. I don't know if it's gonna be visible on camera, but I do feel that my skin has become so soft and I think it's also glowing. I don't know. You've got to tell me that in the comment section below. Tell me that in the comment section below. Also, you can see a little bit of the tint will still be there. All you have to do is apply your toner and you'll see that it's gonna go away a little. Also, one more thing I would recommend you all, I would highly recommend you all to do is apply an ice cube. Personally, I have made frozen ice cubes of different things. I'm gonna show that in my next video. There are a lot of flavors of ice cubes that I've kept in the fridge, and I take one ice cube and rub it on my skin. That is one of the best things I do after applying masks, because that way you lock in the goodness of the mask inside your skin. Also, before you apply the mask, wash your skin really well, and I would really recommend you all to steam your skin because that way your pores are open, and then you apply your mask. Wait for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever, wash it off and apply your ice cube. So it's a very simple process. I really hope this mask helps. Speaking of how many times can you use this? Now, if you're using the 5th one, you can do this every day if you're using the hack. But in case you're using one of the 4 remedies, I would suggest you do it around 2 or 3 times a week, not more than that, because it can dry out your skin as well. So when you leave it for too long or do it too often, the moisture that it has provided comes back into the product. The same goes with sheet masks. I'm gonna talk about the sheet masks some other day, but for now, you've just gotta understand that this is to be used not more than 3 times a week. However, you can follow the last hack every single day. As I mentioned before, Manjistha is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your skin. Please do try this out at home and come back to my channel and tell me how did you like this product and how was your experience using it. Did it suit you? And whatever, did you get the results? I would really love to know from you. In case you don't know how to get your hands on this particular product, I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below. Obviously, this video is not sponsored. This is just something I've been using and I thought I should share this with y'all. This particular powder is super affordable. This one, the smaller pack just costs around 60 rupees and this is around 100 bucks. This is super affordable and I think you must get your hands on this particular thing, and I have done a DIY after like such a long time. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do let me know down in the comment section below, because I was honestly a little tired with makeup videos and I wanted to experiment a little. Also, if you like this video, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all super soon with another one. Until then, bye.